Welcome aboard the Calico Railroad. My name is Sydney, and I will be your conductor for this trip around the park. Once again, please remain seated at all times while the train is in motion. No wandering up and down the center aisles. No hopscotching back and forth from one seat to the next. No moving in between the train cars. The seat you are in currently shall remain your seat for the entirety of our journey until we get right back here to Ghost Town Station. No throwing any items on the train, no bouncing any items on the train. Make sure you keep your hands, arms, legs, head, tails, all your body parts inside the train at all times. Don't put any hats, glasses, cell phones, small children out of any of the windows. If you lose any of those items, you're going to have to go and retrieve them when the park closes tonight at guest services. Also, the only type of smoke on this train is our engine, so please no smoking or vaping. Those two whistles do mean we are underway, so once again, remain seated at all times. Our railway opened back in 1952 and has been in operation ever since. The locomotive and railway cars you're relaxing in were built in the 1880s and are well over 145 years old, and used to carry passengers to and from Denver and the Rio Grande. If these railroad cars could talk, they tell tales of the gold rush, cowboys and settlers, dreams and fortunes, and of the pioneers, spirit of the West. Our founder, Walter Knott, was on hand to dedication to this railroad, and his traditions have been maintained every day since. Have a great journey. We'll see you at the station.
Get them hands up. There we go. That's what I'm talking. You look like you're raising your hand for class. Teacher, teacher. All right. Let's see. I mean, you look like you're doing the same thing. All right. Tell you what. Give me $5. I meant $5. We'll call it an IOU. You'll be $5. After all, you did just shake my hand. I think that's only fair. So, I mean, y'all are witnesses. You saw it. You got that on film. So I know you know. All right. So I'll see you later.
You got some money right now.
Fair enough. I will, yeah. You can barely afford to fix your pants. We'll get it figured out. All right. Yeah, let's see here. All right. You can keep the pants. All right. Can I have it? Not like that. It's like, can I not let me have it? All right. You owe me $1. That's why people say, right. Where's the rest of the sauce? Oh, good. How did you do that to a beloved children's dinner? Dress in organs. So you better give his head back, all right?
Thank you for access for the Ghost Town and Calico Railroad. Enjoy your stay here in the town of Calico. Please come right with us again soon. Make sure you got all your belongings. You don't leave anything behind, and please remain seated. Remain seated. Folks, sit down, please. Sit down. Remain seated. You folks are safe to enjoy the rest of your day.